What happens when money loses its value almost instantly? Let us break down the economic concept of hyperinflation. Hyperinflation is essentially inflation on steroids. It is defined as a rapid, out-of-control increase in prices across an entire economy. While normal inflation is a few percent per year, hyperinflation can see prices rise by 50% in a single month. It usually happens when a government prints too much money to pay for spending, leading people to lose faith in the currency. Regular inflation is a standard part of a growing economy, but hyperinflation represents a total breakdown of the monetary system. As you can see, the purchasing power of your money drops dramatically, forcing people to spend cash as soon as they receive it. When money can no longer hold value, people often revert to bartering goods or using stable foreign currencies just to survive. Thanks for watching. Understanding these extremes helps us appreciate how stable monetary policy supports our daily lives. See you in the next video.